Hi, Nevlin Knights. Today is Tuesday, April 21st. Instead of showing me, I thought I would show the sunset from last night. And there's a lot of different things going on in the world right now, and we're stuck at home and having to do a lot of things that's out of the norm for us. But sometimes if you take your time and slow down a little bit and look what's around you, there's a lot of pretty things out there. So this was the sunset from last night. Hope you enjoy it. Let's take a look at our matrix and see what we're going to be working on in math today. Hi, Neville Knights. Today is Tuesday, and we're going to look at our matrix and see what we're working on in first grade today. It says, make a bar graph showing how many shirts, pants, or shoes you have, or do the make and interpret a bar graph activity on Seesaw. The last few days, we've been talking about different ways of recording or keeping track of data. One of those ways was a tally chart, and this was the one that I did yesterday, which was what is your favorite season, and made tally marks for spring, summer, winter, or fall and winter. And I showed that same data in a picture graph, and you can see that I just made a picture for spring and one for summer, fall, and then winter. Then I showed that same data in a bar graph, and that's kind of what we're going to be making today. And it's the same data, spring, summer, winter, and fall, but I use bars instead of pictures or tally marks. So I've got that bar graph there, and I'm going to show you another bar graph of something else. This is a bar graph I did of what kind of fruit is in the refrigerator. Right? Apples, lemons, oranges, and limes. And once again, I did not draw a picture to show how many I counted. I just used a color and made a bar. Now I did make the colors kind of red for apple and yellow for lemons and orange for oranges, green for limes. So you can still do something like that to show the difference in maybe the colors, but you wouldn't necessarily have to. So what you're working on for today then is go into your closet or your room or your drawers, count up shirts, pants, shoes, maybe even socks, and see what you come up with for totals, and then build a bar graph around that data. I hope that helps. Have a great day.